You need turkey sausage. You need some milk. You need eggs. Pie crust. This is clean, pork free. Anybody trying to be making no pie crust from scratch, I do not feel like doing it. I'm sorry. And you need turkey sausage and peppers and onions. So I already cooked this before Shabbat. I already cooked this before the Sabbath. So this is I already cooked it. I already mixed up the eggs. So I'm gonna just show y'all what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna reheat the sausage. This is turkey sausage and green bell peppers or red bell peppers, spinach and onions. I'm just gonna reheat it up. I'm gonna just add a little butter to it and just let it get reheated. Now this is 3 eggs and a little bit of milk. So you want 4 eggs. I'm gonna add 1 more egg and I'm gonna add a little bit more milk and I'm gonna stir it up. You still want to season the eggs with salt and pepper or whatever you season your eggs with. I do salt and pepper, so yeah. So I added a little bit more milk, salt and pepper, the 4th egg, and you're just gonna stir it. It beats better with a fork, but I just had a spoon next to me. Just gonna beat it. So the proportion you want to do: 4 eggs and 1 cup of milk. Did I measure the milk? No, I did not, but it's okay. It's okay. And now we're gonna make this. So all you gotta do is add the water. Boom, bam, shabam. Remember, all we're literally doing is reheating the meat. It was already cooked before the Sabbath, so we're just reheating it up. Don't gotta cook it. You're just giving it, you know, just reheating it a bit. So I need 2 tablespoons cold water plus 2 teaspoons. I don't have an extra bowl, so I'm gonna be stirring it up in this. I need to get some Tupperware. I think that is heated up enough. Now we're gonna stir this thing up. I'll be back. They in here lying. You need more water than that. It's supposed to look like a dough, like a ball, like when you pat it like that. You need more than they lying. You need more water than that. But anyways, we're gonna form this into like a ball. I'm gonna form this into a ball, and you're gonna put the ball on the flour so it don't stick, and then form it into like a, you feel me? Form it into a what's it called? A little pie shaped thing. So yeah. I'll put flour on my hands. Let me try to set it up so y'all can see. Turn into a ball, right? Now you're gonna, yep, just like that. Turn into a ball and then flatten it out. I don't have no pie rolling thing, so I'm gonna use a cup to roll it out like that, and we're just gonna roll it out. Okay, it took a minute to get it like this. I was over here putting my whole back into this, but I tried to make it look like a pie to the best of my ability. Y'all see all my fingerprints. So now we're finna get to the real nitty gritty. You feel me? Okay, this part is easy. Now all you're finna do is you're finna pour the egg, the meat, and the cheese, and then boom. Now pour the egg, put the meat in there, stir it around, put the cheese, finish it off with more egg, put it in the oven. Be very careful. Put it in the oven. I don't know how long this thing supposed to get cooked. I'll let y'all know. I don't know if this is done, so we're gonna cut it. Let's see if it's done. It ain't as good as my mama's, but it's good. All praises.